Gaddafi batia loda ya itakiron oda aira mitunga atukuni diosirigin kanoda dukune togolo ngezde balada ebe Kumi Central Police Station ngezde adawi karuluda ipu emamete dake de Eyapiese lo itolosera kiron oda Elose.
The money which we are using for constructing this house is through the community. I did through community policing. I talked to the friends within the community, the business communities, the leaders within the community. Those are the people who funded me for this construction.
Oscar Grigo Ragecha, Lode Rai Rabanlo, Ipolisin Karina ko East Choga, Ngizda Esiala Mkinti Tunga Ludo Kumi, Kanoda Iswa Manara Keda Ipolisin Obala Daebe, Edi Chane Kwana Tikalo, Ngizdi Tapata Neswa Maelo Oda Ipolisin.
Today we've had the privilege of commissioning a building housing the Uganda Police Department of Kumi. That was built with consideration, with the financial consideration from the public. The same public previously built for us the building that houses the CID and then a dog kennel. We as the Uganda Police Force of this Choga appreciate this sentiment, and we appreciate and promise that this relationship will become symbiotic through a promise of a better service delivery from the Uganda Police Force.
ASP Chelengat Irene Nade Polo Kinite Riongeteloka Ipolisin Lude Itos Nude Elose Arena ko East Choga Ngezda ilipita lotoko keranyo ni debe sachete kisa kiriti na ada ICP dioto mogudoi.
Every life matters. As we drive on our roads, let us avoid speed. You know what is killing us nowadays? It is not sicknesses. We are dying of accidents. Every year we have accidents, 1,000. People are dying. Go to all hospitals, casualties. Actually, if you want to know what happens on road, go to hospitals. You will understand all this.
Richard Ochom Lode Reme Kumi Municipality Ngezda ilipiti Ipolisin ainyiko kena iswamanara nepeke da Itunga
Police kutoka samisiki ni chutebe eya wetu enene musagone ibone solitibere ne saingichi eringe kamone tuenene kwemera kirita kamone tuenene mambera ngichi tulosite nare ko pano ne puako ni ingunyeta no ikapate kere na iteso abwetu na bapajo akeru police ne utabaye wajirajo nobo police abosibera ngichi baka ibone belege abunere ebe ngone nyamite musago so iboro kati yangu kutaita tenani
Ido Washaki Hamada Lode Rai RDC Lodo District aloko Kumi Loda Rai Pejenon Loda Ngosbi Ngezda Bwisi alame kitunga Ludo Kumi kere nepeke da agwela nara kanuda ita unokechi lude ejo kuka usuda elite agwela nara kanyu ni daebe era unoskiti rutekorezo otomakiro nuda yoara opone show luda ara utulude pedoreta igwela kamera na unuda kamete tunga luda roko nepeke da limono retunga lisoma eti akso msine nuda roko.
These cameras are now very, very cheap. 200 like this, you get a camera. Even 130, you get a camera. So even if somebody is going to attack it, it will first capture his face so that he breaks it. Now once it spoils it, it has captured him. So you are already having an evidence there. So please, members of the community, you shouldn't have millions of shillings in the stock and then fail to sacrifice 200,000 shillings to have a camera at your premise.
Kanuka TV East Martinopolo Kumi District.